What's the percent decrease in total revenue of companies Y sales for article Q from 1997 to 1998? Very similar to the one we saw a few problems ago. Now, what is the total revenue here? It says the total number of company Y sales for article Q decreased by 15% from 1997 to 1998. The unit price of article Q increased by 10% from 1997 to 1998. Now, this is interesting because how do we estimate the revenue? The revenue actually would be the number of sales, let's say an article sold for article Q, multiplied by the unit price of this article, right? That's the revenue. And they're asking me to estimate the percent decrease. So that is to say the revenue 97 minus the revenue of 98, or vice versa, because it's a decrease, divided by the revenue of 97 times 100. That would be the difference divided by the original times 100, right? So we see that each statement only gives us information about how each of the variables changed. In the case of sales, the number of sales decreased in 15%. That means your final sales was 85% of the original number of sales. What about the unit price? The unit price increased. It's 110 or 100 multiplied by the price in 97. Each of these is not sufficient, actually. But what about if I put them together? Can I estimate the correct number of percent, the percent decrease? Well, let's take a look. Actually, what is this expression on top? Well, you can just replace by this, right? So you can actually see that this cancels and gets, but you can see that each of these quotients you can easily get from this, right? Because the ratio between the two numbers of cells is just 85 over 100. So you have this 1 minus 85 over 100 times the quotient or the ratio of the two unit prices for each year was 110 over 100. So now, if you figure this out, multiply by 100, you get a unique value, which is the percent, right? So it's sufficient with the two of them together.